Libra. Welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver soul vibrational messages. Today, I'll be using tarot and pendulum to check on your chakras, also known as auras or energy points in your body. With that said, I've wanted to remind you that this is a general energy reading. I've pre-shuffled on your energy and meditated definitely on the cards, focusing on your mind, body, and spirit. Also, I wanted to say happy full moon in Virgo season. This is a blue moon, so I wanted to kind of get a little bit of that energy and see what it has to tell us, Libra. With that said, I'm going to shuffle just a few more times just to see if anything else wants to show face. Oh, okay. Also, please like, subscribe, heart, add me to your list. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, Libra. You get the Three of Pentacles, the Hierophant, the Magician, and a Page of Wands. Okay, so the message that I'm getting here is you having to work with others. Three of Pentacles gives me that feeling of you're building upon something, but you're not doing it alone. Okay, number three to me speaks about creativity, groups, growth. And the Hierophant is here pretty much saying like knowledge that is being shared, right? And you are in a position of definitely receiving in the energy and passing it along to others. And it's also saying you are very much in control of, and you have all the cards on the table. And in other words, I see a lot of people looking up to you in this particular stage. But the Page of Wands is this like youthful kind of energy that is learning how to use its rod, its wand. This is the fire within ourselves, okay? It's our inspiration, it's our spirituality, our ideas, our energy flow, but he's very much learning how to use that, or he's also a messenger. In this particular case, I feel it as if energy wants you to just learn as you teach. Like, don't put yourself completely here where you're like in control. It's almost like learning how to work with others, allowing yourself to stay in your lane and allow others to also stay in their lane to show you what they can bring and how you can really use it. Okay, Libra, don't bring in that balance. Don't try to take it all upon yourself. I feel like everything is going so beautifully. These major arcanas let me know that things are going to be okay. New beginnings, definitely. There's potential, there's opportunity. It's just a matter of you understanding and being humble enough to understand that you don't have to do it all yourself. That you do bring a lot to the table. You definitely are very much in a place of leadership. And you're very much committed to what's going on and what's coming in fruition. You are very resourceful. A lot of willpower I see here. A lot of intellect, skillfulness. You're creating something, and even if it has to do within your own self, you're doing it for not only for your greatest good, but for the good of all. And that is beautiful. Let me tap in more into this Page of Wands. So this Page of Wands represents discovery. It's very much free spirit as well. So there's this sense of bring in that enthusiasm. Explore and discover again how to bring about whatever you're trying to create. Okay, well, there'll be a message also. I'm also seeing it as a message because he's a messenger that will bring that inspiration for you. Okay, but I love how this, I don't know how, I didn't set it up here like this on purpose, but it's definitely, whatever you're building upon has a strong foundation. And that's a beautiful thing. It's coming from the divine, from spirit, from your own higher self as to how to move forward with this, which is beautiful. Beautiful message for you, Libra. Thank you so much. With that said, I will move on to your energetic system, your chakras. Where or in what areas should you give a little bit more attention to, more light, to bring in a lot more peace and harmony and balance into your life, Libra? This is your root base chakra. Thank you. Yes. Okay. So it really wants you to feel secure as to what you're doing as with yourself, okay? It's your root. It's your base chakra, which is the color red. Wear the color red. Meditate on this color. Eat a lot of fruits and vegetables that are red. Definitely give life, light to your physical self. Be more connected to earth. This speaks about connection to earth, grounding, stability, balance, trust, physical health, nourishment, is your strength, your family, your roots, security, survival, prosperity. I hope that this message particularly resonates with you, Libra. I thank you so much for being here. I send you the best of vibes. And again, like, subscribe, follow me, add me to your list. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. With that said, I'll see you soon. Ciao.